meteorologist Patrick Evans.
The view from the Classic Club this morning, and we are seeing a little increase in what is smoke inhibiting sunshine, but presently the air quality is still in pretty good range. The smoke advisory extended through this evening. You will see more smoke throughout the day in the valley because of our winds coming in out of the west northwest, but presently air quality at 30, which means it's in the good range. Even if you have breathing issues, the air quality outside right now should not be a problem, but maybe later on this afternoon, something you'll have to keep track of. There's a lot of smoke showing up on the satellite imagery across California, and then some cloud cover sliding in. We're not going to see any clouds. It's just going to be that smoke and haze coming in from the wildfires. Area of low pressure pulling in some cooler air, so the circulation around that low is helping us out today. We will continue to see numbers slightly below our seasonal average both today and tomorrow as that low kind of hovers right about exactly over the Four Corners states. But over the next 24 hours, it moves a little bit, and when that happens, we'll start to warm up as we move into the weekend. Right now, you're finding numbers in the upper 60s and low 70s and predominantly 60s. It is really pleasant outside this morning. A little bit cooler than we were yesterday, and that hints that maybe this afternoon will be a degree or two shy of yesterday's number of 98. Winds are fairly light. Yesterday, we were setting up for a bit of a Santa Ana event that really didn't materialize, and that's why the red flag warnings were canceled, and also wind advisories came down. So the benefit of that is that the dew points recovered a little bit in the overnight hours. That's helpful to firefighters. We're still in a very comfortable range. Not a lot of humidity here in the valley, but the higher dew points up above those single digits in the teens helps to slow the spread of wildfires. We're going to keep dew points in the 20s today. Not a big change. Again, this area of low pressure is hovering, but it will gradually move to the north and to the east. As it moves toward the Great Lakes, high pressure builds in on the west coast and starts to bump our temperatures back up to around our seasonal norms or a little bit above that. Not much. Our temperatures today about 97, maybe 98 like we were yesterday. And I think the dew point's actually going to be lower than those 40s for the most part. The average for the day is 103. We'll be well below that. Comfort Air 7-day forecast gets us back to about average on Saturday. And then Sunday we warm up a little bit, staying below 110 for the next few days. It's a pleasant forecast and well off the pace of those 120s of last weekend. So we're not threatening any records. That's good news.
Enjoying those overnight